If you have already subscribed, then click the bell icon to get instant notification when I put a new video up. Do it now.
मजा नहीं आ रहा है.
A few moments later.
Alright, so let's get started. So like I said, I am going to make something that will help you organize your desk. So we are making an origami pen stand, so that just a neat simple sheet of paper. So I have a sheet of paper here. As you can see, it's a square sheet of paper, because for origami we need a square sheet of paper. This is 8 inches by 8 inches. Alright, let's get started. So first we start by folding this sheet of paper in half, making sure you align the corners and then press it down to get a nice clean crease. Now you can see we have divided the sheet into half. So we will take one of the half and we will further divide it like this, and we will do the same thing for the other side like that. We should form a little door like this. Once we are done, just turn the sheet around, and now we'll do the same process one more time, so that you get horizontal and vertical folds. Alright, so you can see that we are done with the folds, and we have this grid like pattern on the sheet. Now we'll do this. We'll take the corner and we will fold them diagonally, which basically means take the corner and matching it to this little corner right here, and we will do the same thing for the corners. There you go.
5 minutes later.
So now these fold each corners, we have to fold them in on those sides, so that you get the like this door like fold. Once we are done, we have to turn the sheet so that this door like fold, so horizontal, and now take the slides and fold in backwards like this and like this. Once we are done, turn the sheet around. So now another square. Now take one of the pins and try the slide that in the cavity on the other side, and that's it. Look at that, we have this triangular cube ready, and this is for much what you need to make the whole structure of the origami bench stand. Now I need 5 more of this, so let's get in 5 more. And we are done. We get 5 more. So in total I have 6 pieces. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Now all we need to do this, we need to align them vertically like this to make a circular shape or a hexagon like this, and we need strip and mine this to keep this pocket on the outside, so you can store things in this as well. So now we will stick all these pieces together. So a pen stand is ready. So stick this. I am using regularly white glue. And once we are done, we can use some rubber bands to hold it in place till the glue dries completely. The rubber bands will get the whole structure a little more support, just like that. And once the glue has dried completely, we can remove the rubber bands. So like I said, origami pen stand is ready. These are all the pockets on the outside and these other cavities to hold your pencils, marker, pens, etc. So you can just use it as is. One you non show something small in this. I need wanted to basically failed from other side because it's so pain. We can seal it, so I can seal the bottom. So now I will take another sheet of paper, place the origami pen stand on it, and then like the marking from just marking the corner. So here I have the points. Now I will just use ruler, then I will connect these points. Alright, so you can see we have a hexagon shape here. Now I will draw another line parallel to of the side. This will help you stick the shape to the button, and this was to give it a little more support and strength. Now we need to cut this. So I am cut this with the scissors. Also we can cut the corners a little bit like this, so there is easy to fold. Any don't have any extra overlapping, so we'll do the same thing for the all the sides. Okay, we are done. So you see we have this hexagon cut out. This a little flaps on the side. These flaps will help we stick this to the base are a little better. So all I need to do this score along these lines from using a cutter. Scoring means applying gentle pressure to create a dent or a crease, and along that crease or dent you can fold the paper easily without getting any cracks. Okay, we are done. As you can see how easily I can fold the side, and I am getting a nice clean edge without any crack in the paper. There you go, we have perfect shape. So now you can just keep it like this and get your structure back in, and now you have stick it like this, and this folds you can just put inside like that, so you get a nice clean edge. Okay, so quickly supply some glue and stick this in place. Alright, looks like I am done. There you go. Now you can see we have a button for the pen stand. Now you can remove the rubber band, and as you can see the glue has dried up nicely, and your pen stand is now ready. So you can store your scissors, your pencils, your markers, whatever you like. And as you can see here, this little pocket from the outside. If you don't have space here, or you can put it some smallest stuff thumb, government, pens, coins, whatever you like.
रुको जरा, सबर करो.